Hey there and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you about Microsoft Copilot AI to save time. Okay, so let me log into Microsoft Copilot AI. Copilot AI. So let's visit it. So you can use it to save time, boost productivity, and supercharge your daily tasks inside Microsoft 365. If you're already using tools like Word, Excel, Outlook, or Teams, Copilot is about to change the way you work. Okay, wait until the page loads completely, and before jumping in, make sure to check the link in the description box or it can be in the pinned comment. So basically, Microsoft AI is an outstanding tool. Imagine having an AI assistant that understands your work, helps you with your work, write emails, create presentations, summarize meetings, and even generate insights from Excel. Okay, let me log into it. That's Microsoft 365 Copilot AI, a powerful productivity tool built right into Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Microsoft 365 Copilot combines the power of large language models like GPT-4 with your data in Microsoft Graph. Things like emails, calendar, events, documents, chats, and even many more is designed to help you to be more productive by working alongside you inside the tools you use every day. It is not a chatbot living in a separate window, it's embedded directly in the apps. That means you can use natural language commands like summarize the document, draft a project, update it based on the Excel file, or generate a presentation from this report. So let me explain how you can use it. So here's how Copilot helps you across different apps. Wait, I don't know why it is not loading. So basically, you can use a word like Copilot can help you draft entire documents, rewrite sections, or improve tone and clarity. You can say things like make this thing more conscious or add a summary at the top. I will show you on live how you can do it, but as you can see, I think my net sucks, internet sucks, that's why the problem is appearing. You can say things like any paragraph, you can copy and paste it and ask it to make this more conscious or add a summary at the top. You can use Excel instead of writing complex formulas. You can ask questions like what are the key trends in this data, or create a chart comparing sales by region. Copilot can analyze data, generate summaries, and visualize patterns instantly. It can generate full slide decks from a simple prompt like create a 10 slide presentation on our Q1 marketing results. It uses your documents to pull content and even suggest visuals. Uh, there might be some problem here. PowerPoint can generate full slide decks from a simple prompt like create a 10 slide presentation on our Q1 marketing results. It uses your documents to pull content and even suggest visuals. And if you talk about Outlook, Copilot helps you draft emails, summarize threads, and pull out action items. You can quickly catch up on long email chains or generate responses with the right tone. During meetings, Copilot can take the notes, highlight decisions, and track action items. After meetings, it can generate, summarize, and help you follow up on tasks. So the benefits and final thoughts of Microsoft Copilot AI is Microsoft Copilot is not just about doing things faster, it's about working smarter, okay? It reduces the mental load of writing, analyzing, also organizing, so you can focus on creative thinking and decision making. It is private and secure, meaning your data stays within Microsoft 365 environment. Whether you are in marketing, sales, finance, or project management, Copilot adapts to your role and helps you save hours each week. So basically, this is the future of work AI, not replacing us but working alongside with us. With the Microsoft 365 Copilot, you are not just getting help, you are unlocking a new level of productivity. Okay. I don't know, there must be some problem with my, okay, let me show my Microsoft Edge. So let's check it out. I think it will load faster maybe. um you can just ask it to generate anything. You can also generate image with Microsoft Copilot AI. This is very much like ChatGPT in order to regenerate texts and images. You can use it for many purposes, like for business ideas, and generating many other useful advices. Okay, you can go to Microsoft 365 dashboard, like go to office.com. Let me show you. You can go to office.com and then search for it. Okay, let me find perfect the text. um let's type enter. You can go to office.com from here. So this is a very helpful app. You can use Microsoft Copilot right from here. Also, you can just search for Microsoft Copilot to open the standalone AI chat interface. Okay, you can see Copilot AI assistant right here. Look at the top right corner. To start a chat to interact with Microsoft Copilot AI, you can see this option here. So as you can see, this is the AI companion. So you can use Microsoft AI for your needs. Check the app out, and that's it for today. If this video helped you, do not forget to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comments. Also, you should comment down below that what type of videos you want to see in the coming videos. Okay, that was it for today. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. As always, I will be creating more tutorials like this, so stay tuned and let's meet onto another video. Till then, take care. Okay, and keep exploring your Microsoft Copilot AI. Just go to Copilot AI and you can use it. Okay, that was it for today. Goodbye.